Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm Shazia. I'm your teacher. We'll begin with math class. Are you ready? Today we will learn counting. Be ready with your files, notebook, sharpen pencil, eraser and colors to study again. Hello my lovely kids. Open your math file and take out page number 143. It's an activity time. Today we are going to do a fun-filled activity. Are you excited to know? Yes? Then look at the board. Here you can see the clown. Clown is playing with lots of balls. Some balls having numbers and some balls don't have numbers. What you have to do? You have to fill the missing balls with numbers. Got it? Shall we start? So take out your sharpened pencil and eraser. Now look here. In this ball we have number 1. To fill the missing number we have to move in order. So what comes after 1? Great. Number 2. So write here number 2. Number 2. After 2, yes, fantastic. Number 3. So write here number 3. To fill the missing numbers we have to move in order. So tell me what comes after 3? Great. Number 4. So write here number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is given for you. So now you have to tell me in this ball what we have to write here. Great. Number 6. Number 6. 5, 6. What should I write here? Exactly, number 7. So write here number 7. What comes after number 7? Well said, number 8. So I am writing here number 8. And after 8, it's 9, which is already here. So tell me, in this ball, what we have to write? After 9 it is exactly number 10. So write in this ball number 10. Are you writing? You have to write neat and clean. Okay? Now tell me the next number. What comes after number 10? Great. Number 11. So write in this ball number 11. Written? Good. After 11 it's number 12, which is already here. Move on. Tell me the next number. Great. Number 13. So you have to write here number 13. Now again you have to step up and tell me what comes after 13. Great. Number 14. So write here number 14. After 14 it's number 15. You can see here. So write the next number which is missing here. Tell me, speak out loudly. Great. Number 16. So Write here number 16. Have you written? Very good. Now after 16, what should I write here? Well said. Number 17. Number 17. 1 7 17. And you can see number 18, which is already here for you. So speak out the next number. What should I write here after 18? Correct. Number 19. So write here number 19. What comes after 19? Excellent. Number 20. Right here number 20. With this 20 we have filled all the balls, isn't it? You enjoyed this activity? Great. Now proceed to page number 144. Today we will practice to write the counting from 71 to 90. Are you ready? Then take out your sharpened pencil and eraser. Now write with me. We will start with number 71. 71, 71. After 71, it's number 72. So write here 72. 72. After 72, it's number, yes, 73. So write here 73. 73. After 73, what should I write? Great, 74. So write here 74. After 74, it is 75. 75. 75. 75. What comes after 75? Exactly, 76. 76. 76. Have you written? Write neat and clean. If you made wrong, use eraser. Now tell me the next number. Fantastic, 77. So write here 77. After 77, speak out loudly. Yes, great, 78. So write here 78. Now tell me the next number. What should I write after 78? Fantastic, number 79. So write here 79. What should I write the next? Great, number 80. So write here number 80. Now I have completed my columns. It's your turn to complete your column fast. I am waiting. Shall I move forward? Good. Now after 80, it's 81. 81. 81. 81. 81. Tell me the next number. What should I write after 81? Good, it's 82. So write here after 81, it's 82. 82. 82. What comes after 82? Well said. 83. 83. 83. 83. 83. If you made wrong, use eraser. You have to write neat and clean. Now speak out the next number. Great. 84. So write here 84. 84. 84. What's come after 84? Great. 85. 85. 85. What should I write after 85? Very good. 86. 86. 86. Write neat and clean. Okay. Now tell me the next number. After 86 it is 87. 87. 87. What comes after 87? Exactly 88. So I am writing here number 88. Speak out the next number. Correct. 89. 89. 89. What comes after 89? Excellent. Number 90. After 89, it's number 90. 90. 90. With this 90, I have completed my part. Now, it's your turn to complete yours. Have you all completed? Very good. Now listen carefully. This part is your homework. You have to do it later on. When you complete it, click the picture and send it on the WhatsApp group.